Hi, this is Nick from Zamora Woodworking. Just want to go over a quick idea I had. If you could, like, share, and subscribe. Helps the channel grow. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, you guys are getting really close. We're up to 600. I'm going to send out a lucky subscriber one of these Jenny bits absolutely for free, not sponsored whatsoever. Just another small business that makes these, and figure I'd support them and then send it out to you guys for supporting me. Thanks. So if you could, right down below here, do a little like, share, subscribe, but definitely the subscribe. So my idea, I have all these bits. Obviously I have a lot more, but within a project I'll have, 2 or 3, maybe 4. And then you have both your wrenches and you need to get to them, and you got them in different places and try to put them back. I'm very, very terrible about that. You can ask my wife. She'll definitely confirm that one. So trying to keep a little bit cleaner. Plus I like to sometimes mount my GoPro on here and trying to think of like ways to do it all. And this is, I'm not going to go to a spindle for quite some time, so this is what I'm working with. Ended up coming up with a few designs. I was going to walk you through them and then show you the end. If you stick around to the end, I got another bonus to show you. So my first design that quite a few people saw on the Facebook group was this guy here. Bolted on right here. Worked really well. Held your different bits. Held your camera. And could move around. But the problem was, is if this guy got too low, it would hit over here. Kind of sucked. So I went back to the drawing boards. Designed it again. Came up with this guy here. And this had the shorter end right here that could hold both your wrenches, hold all your bits, and it could hold the GoPro. So tried that, didn't exactly like it, had to go to the drawing board once again, and this is where it gets kind of cool. I think I finally got to the version that I really like, and it works really well. So this is my third design revision, and I think I really like this one the most. You can fit both your wrenches here. You can fit your bits, your 1/4 inch, your 1/8 inch, bolt it on there. You can hold your GoPro as well, so you can do time lapses. I think this is badass, and I will show you it. So with this guy here, you have still full access to your switch to turn on and off your router. Store your bits for your project. So first bit, go here, second, third, fourth. For your project, you can store them all up here. So while you're doing everything, you can grab them off, pop them in, move them around. You can also fit in your 1/8 inch bits. And then, also combined in, you store your wrenches. You can hold your wrenches, you hold all your bits. So it gets even better. You can hold your GoPro out here on the front, like that, and then attach your GoPro right here and it'll look right down at your spindle. So this thing accomplishes everything I was hoping for. Holds your bits, holds your wrenches, holds a GoPro, and so far from what I've tested, it's been completely out of the way. For those of you new to 3D printing, it's super easy to print. Just print it upside down, have this part be down, and it prints real easy. Minimal supports needed. So what I was going to do with this one is, with all the help that you guys have given me, I'll link it down below if you guys want it for free, or if you want to support, which would be really nice, for like $1 or $2 or something like that. I'll also put it on my Etsy shop. Either or. If you take the free route, the only thing I'd ask is a subscribe and a like. Be awesome. But this is I'm calling this my CNC caddy. So hopefully this will help some of you guys. Hopefully you like it. And if you have different designs that you think should be added in, or something else that should be done with it, let me know. But I thought this was pretty cool. Had everything, and I've done quite a few carves with it, and it's worked out great. But thanks again. Thanks for watching. Like I said, like, share, and subscribe. This has been Nick from Zamora Woodworking. Thanks.